Once upon a time there was a little girl named Mariah who had the most beautiful, big, and frizzy hair. Everyone around her thought it was so beautiful, but Mariah didn't like it because it was always getting things stuck in it. One day, Mariah was walking through the park when she noticed a bird with a twig stuck in its feathers. Mariah felt so sorry for the bird and wanted to help it, so she carefully reached out and pulled the twig out of the bird's feathers. The bird thanked Mariah and flew away. Mariah suddenly realized that she was just like the bird. Her hair was always getting things stuck in it, but it didn't make her any less beautiful. From that day on, Mariah learned to love her big, frizzy hair. She embraced it and was proud of it. She even started wearing it in different styles and colors, and everyone around her was amazed at how beautiful it looked. Mariah had finally learned to love her big, frizzy hair, and she was never ashamed of it again. The end. I hope you've enjoyed the story. I definitely enjoyed sharing it with you. Now let's close our eyes and calm our minds and drift off to dreamland. Sweet dreams and good night.